What's up, everybody? This is Beauty in 4C. So I'm here to show you how I detangle my hair. So for this video, I'll be using a shears, a detangling brush. This is the Denman Power 38, and then this white tooth comb, and an extra brush, and also some hair clips. So let's get started. So I'm deep conditioning right now. And this is my hot head. It goes on and off here, and you can adjust the temperature from there. And then I'll start with this one. So the first thing I do is finger detangle. I had already finger detangled before, so this is not going to be like thorough finger detangling. There's a lot of deep conditioner in the hair still because I was heavy-handed. I use the Adore Beauty Blue Tansy deep conditioner. I will show you in a different video. So as you can see, there is a knot right there, so I will finger detangle first to make sure there is really no large knots in my hair. Like this looks like a whole lock in there. So if you want to detangle hair that's very tangled, you have to like separate from the knot. You like hold down and then pull from the knot one by one. It's gonna take long, but you have to do this. If you want long hair, long healthy hair, you have to be patient with your hair, with your detangling. If you rush the process, you're going to rip through your hair and you'll have so many split ends. So I do this throughout my head. Sometimes it takes hours. So you see I got the knot out. Sometimes it takes a very long time. So the way to know if you have like a major tangle is like smoothing your hair down, and then you feel mostly with your finger, with your thumb, and this other finger. That's how you will smooth down your hair and know if you have like a major knot, and then you separate like that. You have to do this all over your head. So I will be doing in sections. I have like 14 large twists. So this is gonna take me like about an hour, because I had tried to detangle before washing it. So this is going to be it's not going to be as it's not going to take as long as if I hadn't detangled. So I will only show you only one twist, because I don't think I can record like for such a long time. So I'll start with the white tooth comb from the bottom. So I do feel resistance down somewhere. So I still have to feel my ends. So it feels okay. So I'll continue. So if you feel like your hair is somewhat detangled, now you can use the brush. I'll be using the Denman Power 38. This is my trusted brush. I've tried so many brushes, and this is the one that works for me and my hair. As you can see, the brush is just gliding through my hair. And there is very little hairs on there. I haven't detangled my hair in 4 weeks. I had a protective style in, so I have not detangled my hair in such a long time. You can see now the hair is fully detangled now, so it's very thoroughly detangled. The second twist now, this is it's not as tangled as the first one, so this will be easy. I've already finger detangled, so I'll go in with my comb. You have to start from your tips going up, not here going down. So that's what I'm doing. And once I feel like the hair is thoroughly detangled, I will use a brush. I have several brushes here, but the one I'm using today is this Detangling Power 38. As you can see, it goes through my hair very easily. My hair shrinks a lot. If I stretch it out now, you'll be surprised how long it is. It shrinks very much. So that's it. The hair is detangled. As you can see, it's not hard to separate. And then I'm gonna twist it and continue doing the rest of the hair. So I'm still detangling. It's almost 50 minutes since I started, and I'm on the second last twist. So I've already used a white tooth comb. So I use my detangling brushes interchangeably depending on which section of my hair I'm detangling, because if it's close to the scalp, I have to use this one because it gets smaller right here. So this is fully, let's see, it's fully detangled. So that's done. One more to go. Detangling takes a lot of time, so you need to be very patient when you are doing it. Otherwise it can give you setbacks, so you have to be very patient with your hair, and especially if you have fine hair like me. So right now I'm going to do the last one, and it's messy too, as you can see, so it's not like a very cutesy thing to do, but you know, the results show for themselves. If you do your detangling with care, the results will show. The back of my hair is always short, so it's not something I'm worried about, but I'm working on it. So I tested this brush earlier, so it's more like a white tooth comb. It doesn't really detangle that much, but it sets the base for the brush, my other brushes. So it's good, but it doesn't thoroughly detangle your hair. It's like it's like a white tooth comb. So I use this. This is also my other trusted brush. It's an easy brush. I got it from Amazon. So my detangling is done. I didn't lose much hair. I'll show you on the brushes. I know it doesn't look cute, but I think most people like to see the hair left on the brushes so that they can know if it's right or wrong for them. So I'm gonna show you how much hair. So for this brush, it's just this. For this brush, it's very small actually. It's not much. It's like this much. And then for the Denman, it's not much either. So I finger detangled thoroughly before washing my hair, and this is all the hair that I got from finger detangling before I shampooed my hair. I have had in mallet twists for like 4 weeks, so this is like 4 weeks of shaded hair, so it's pretty okay. This is a strengthening deep conditioner, and if you want more sleek from it, you can add an oil or make sure you apply when your hair is wet. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next one.